So my name's Glenn Crouch and I'm a landscape photographer based in Sydney. And so this morning, having a play with the new Nikon Z7.
I'm here with the new Nikon Z7, here to test some night shooting. So I'm going to go for a spin and see how it goes.
Shooting with the 24-70 S-series lens, F4. I'm shooting directly into the sun and I can see there's virtually no flaring going on. So yeah, really good. Really well done.
It's a nice bright viewfinder. I feel that you know, down the bottom I can see very clearly, you know, what I'm shooting exposure-wise, if that's under or overexposed, what settings I'm on, my shutter speed and my aperture.
Totally intuitive. The back of it's completely familiar to Nikon SLRs. So your basic controls, your ISO, shutter speed, aperture, it's all where it should be. So it's taken no time at all, and it's the same with the menu system. So I was able to go straight into the menu system and just make sure I'm getting RAW and JPEGs as I shoot.
So I'm just shooting some buildings here. The cool thing about the Z7 is that you can actually get this flippable screen. So instead of me having to look up at the sky, I can basically just point the camera up and actually shoot directly right up, get that shot, which is really nice.
Put a 2-second timer on, just so there's no camera shake, and we're just going to wait for this to go. Zoom in. Yeah, that's cool. Image looks good, clean. Yeah, happy with that.
Okay, so now I'm going to put on my trusty 16-35mm. So just attaching that to the adapter, and transition's completely seamless, autofocus working beautifully. I like the fact that it doesn't feel like a toy. The grip on this is really good. Comfortably get your hand around it, which just makes it feel nice and comfortable and solid.
I think the ergonomics on this is actually really good. Shutter button's nice and easy. You've got the ISO button on top, which I really like. And actually even the record button, its placement is really good as well. So as a final thought, the Nikon Z7, it felt quite comfortable to shoot with. I think the images came out really well. But overall, I think Nikon have done a good thing with this.